na po ang aming ito na po ang
No. Black and white pen.
series sa tayo. Experimente?
Yeah.
Ito na po ang aming order. Ano nga po isa na po nakalimutan.
Raspberry white,
Raspberry
white, frappe latte.
Frosty Latte. Yeah. Ito na po yun. Look mine. Very good. Hindi na ako kapag-intay. One step namin. Okay. Brownie. That's you, brownie? You look good, huh? Okay. Truly.
Nasaan ka ngayon? Nasaan ka ngayon?
We are here now in a coffee beanery. Wow.
Coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, coffee beanery.
Mhm.
Very special, no? For the first time, of course, with kasama po natin si Mr. John May. And this lady, you know, yeah, Miss Lady in the house, man. Yeah, so it's in the house.
Documentary.
Salamat po, salamat. Okay, kasama dito.
Na.
Okay?
Kaya ako muna eh. Sige.
Okay. I'm gonna pakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ako minom, kung paano ko po ito haluin. Guys, please watch me, ah. Okay. I still I'm start to stir this one. Okay, bye-bye. Salamat po.
Uminom ka na ba?